V-flats are an invaluable tool to have in the studio, whether you're bouncing light, subtracting light, or using them as a solid background. But in this episode, I'd like to show you another way that we can use them for creative portraits. Welcome back to the series, everyone. This week is all about another way that we can use V-flats to create really awesome creative portraits. Now, I've always, traditional sense, used V-flats to either bounce light, fill in some shadows, or subtract light. I've even used them just to create solid black or white backdrops to shoot against. But it wasn't until recently I came across V-Flat World's YouTube channel where I saw this method being used here called the checkerboard effect. Now, it's a little bit of a dance to get this to come together. I'm going to link you for that reason directly to their YouTube channel to watch that short video. But you will need 2 clamps and you will need 2 sets of V-flats to make this setup come together. It's actually something that was started by Jeff Carpenter of Ready Light Media, and just coming across it. And then I happened to be kind of like wearing those same colors, the black and white, to match the V-flat look and the checkerboard look. I figured this might be a good episode just to show you that during your next creative shoot, you could pull off this look with your subject or with your model, and I think it really creates an opportunity for some different type stuff. Now, we'll get right into it. I'll be shooting some self-portraits, and I'll share those final results with you, but it's really just, I think, a great tool to have, number one, for your regular photography needs, but then it gives you that versatility to be able to then transform it into a background that would be not so easy to create otherwise. So I think it's a great thing to have. I love having the V-flats from V-Flat World ever since we've had them in studio. It's really transformed our ability to do things more quickly and more efficiently, and they look neater when they're stored. Obviously, they fold up really nice. So, I definitely recommend that. I used to use just regular 4x8 sheets of foam board in the old studio, and those were great, but I had to create my own stands to get them to stand up, and it was a whole process. And over time, they really would curve quite a bit as the seasons changed and the humidity in the studio would come and go. So in any case, V-Flat World is an investment, but it's one that I suggest you do make. And again, I'm going to show you some shots here, just self-portraits against this black and white checkerboard background. I think you should check out the video for yourself. If you have some V-flats and you want to give this a shot, make sure you pick yourself up 2 clamps so you can hold this all together. And yeah, I hope this episode's been helpful. Feel free to comment down below. Let me know what you think about some of these self-portraits. And if you have any questions, of course, about how to get those V-flats in the checkerboard pattern, either reference that video or drop me a comment. I'll be happy to get right back to you. So see everyone next week on Photography 180. Stay tuned now for those images.